every product has a packaging. When we buy or sell things, it has a packaging around. Why packaging is required? To preserve the product and protect the product from contamination. Packaging is required. When we buy the product, usually in the outside label on the packaging tells what are the contents in the inside, what are the ingredients. Details of the content is displayed outside. And we buy the product based on the packaging. And when we get a present or we give the present, we put a packaging around, glossy packaging. And many times when we get the gift, we gauge the content based on the packaging. And many times we are disappointed to see the content. I thought looking at the packaging, content should be good. But the packaging is more attractive than the content. Content has a inferior value. It did not meet my expectation. And in the manufacturer, if invest more money on the packaging rather than the content, if the value of content is less than that of the packaging, that product won't survive in the market for long. This scenario applies to us also. This body is the packaging. Body is a packaging. What is hidden inside is content. When I buy a product, I can see what is inside. But when we look at a person, we don't know what is inside. We gauge the people based on their attire, their shoes, their makeup. We gauge the people, but we don't know what is inside. Inside them, this package, we are carried away by this package. This Annamaya Kosha is the packaging. Each package, we have 5-layered personality. Each outer layer is a packaging for the inner layer. The packaging outer layer is a packaging for subsequent. And outside product, this Annamaya Kosha is a packaging for inside layers. Within that one, Pranamaya Kosha is a packaging for subsequent inner layers. Manomaya Kosha for Vijnanamaya Kosha and Anandamaya Kosha. Vijnanamaya Kosha is a packaging for Anandamaya Kosha. It's a packaging. One packaging, the packaging, when you want a product, what you do, when you get a content, you throw the packet, you throw the packaging out, you are interested in the content. In this body also, this Annamaya Kosha has a least lifespan. Expiry date is it's a quick expiry date for the Annamaya Kosha. Inner content, it's there is an expiry date except for the soul. The content is the soul. It is not subject to distraction. The outer body, Annamaya Kosha, has an expiry. The first one to disappear is the outer package. The sadhana is nothing but going deep within. We are all on a game of our life. What is the rule of this life? Before the outer package drops, you go within. That is the goal. The further you go in, happier you become. Those who cannot lose the game are the one before this package has dropped. But I have not made inroad. I have not gone inside. That person has lost the game. Sorry, you lost the game. Try again. Try again. Different body. This game of the life. Before the outer packaging drops, before the Annamaya Kosha drops, you have to penetrate deep within. Further you go inside, happier you become. Further you go within. The Annamaya Kosha is called as a gross body. Within that one, what is when I leave the body, that body is called as Sukshma Sharira. Subtle body. Subtle body is there. That also, that Manomaya Kosha, if I lose the game of this life, body has collapsed. I have not gone. So, Manomaya Kosha, the subtle body, is carried by the Manomaya Kosha from body to body. What happens? Manomaya Kosha takes it to the another body. Come and play. It goes from body to body. The purpose of this life, I have to win the game. I am a keen contender. To win the game, what is the criteria? I should be a keen contender, not playing for the sake of playing. Playing for the not for the sake. You have to actively take part with the ambition to go deep within. The content within is called as soul. Each soul has its own swabhava. Swabhava is nature. You have to play the game in tune with your nature. In tune with your nature, I am not able to make it go within. I am not able to play the game of my life because Patanjali talks about klesha. Because of the klesha, I am not able to play the game. It talks about the 5 kleshas: avidya, asmita, raga, dvesha, abhinivesha. Kleshaha, 5 kleshas. Because of these kleshas means afflictions. Because of these afflictions, avidya. First of all, avidya means I haven't understood the rule of the game of this life. I am here playing without understanding the rule of the game. Avidya, vidya, there is no vidya. I have not understood the rule of the game. I just play. First is avidya. No, the knowledge is important. Avidya, without ignorance, I am failing again and again. I am failing in the exam. Why again and again? Avidya. There is no knowledge. How can you pass? Avidya, the children of avidya are the arrogant life. I don't accept that I don't know. I don't accept, I don't know. That arrogance is there. Then attachment and distorted attachment is called as dvesha and abhinivesha. On the top of it, I am so scared to take the packaging out. I am so happy with the package. I got the present. I don't want to open the package. This is the package. I got that one. I am so scared to open the package. I am happy with only looking at the package. I am only looking at makeup. All the time makeup, only to look good. I don't want to go in, abhinivesha. Because of that one klesha, I am not able to play the game of my life. And the rule, I have to play the game of my life well. I should play the game according to my nature. The contrary to my nature, when I am playing the game of my life, life is full of stress, anxiety, disappointment. I am not happy in my life. Why? I am not playing the game of my life according to my nature. My nature is something and I am playing the game only to please others. This, the contrary, prajna aparada. There is a terminology is called as prajna aparada. My nature is this one, but I am playing the game differently. This prajna aparada, it is called as himsa. you are causing lot of himsa to yourself. Himsa, when you are not happy, not at ease, you are making others also uncomfortable. So, ahimsa is the one. Ahimsa means play the game of your life according to the nature of yourself. What is your nature? Play the game according to that one. Any contrary results in ahimsa. Patanjali talks about why you have to play the game according to your own nature. Ahimsa pratishtayam tat sannido vairatyagaha. One who has established in ahimsa, in him or her, there is no disturbance, tranquility, peace, not only within, around that person, whoever that person comes and contact with, that person, around that person, always peace, tranquility, harmony is there. Vairatyagaha. That Patanjali says, you have to be natural, play the game according to your nature. Around you, there will be a harmony, peace will be there. Peace, and we have to discover ahimsa within, play the game, natural game. We have to outlive the packaging. We should play the game such a way that even after this packaging drops, we should be remembered. We should, that's content within should be of value even after the packaging drops. This content I have enriched. One who has gone within, be happier and leads an enriched life. That person is an enlightened person. Enlightened person, you have to lead such a way that even after the packaging drops, this content is valued. Otherwise, those who are only interested only in the packaging, the product value becomes a junk. That expiry date in supermarkets, 2 days before expiry, they say put it on clearance or put it in the bin, rubbish bin. You become a junk. While living, you have not gone within, you have not realized the content. When you realize the content, you are valued even after the packaging has gone. Otherwise, only investing on the investment, you are a junk. While living, no respect for you, no credibility for you, you are wipe out. While living, Patanjali says, go within. Bhagavad Gita's message, go within. Realize the content. Outlive your package. Outlive package, not just invest on the package. The package is there for protecting the content. And content, you should know, this package is nourished by the content. You should know this package, how I am sustaining this body because of that content. I have no regard for the content. I leave myself as a package. If you do that one, you become a junk.